In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to multiple people on Gmail. So before I start the video, I just wanted to say, make sure you watch the video the whole way through to ensure that you get every step right and you don't miss anything out, because if you do, it might go wrong and you might accidentally send to the wrong person or something like that. So make sure you watch closely to the end of the video. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go into whatever browser you use or however you want to send your email and log into Gmail. Once you've logged into Gmail, you want to go to the Compose section over here, and it should open up a little window that looks like this, and it will say new message, just like this. So we can put the subject in here. Let's say the subject is hello world. We can put the main text in here. Hello there. Well, please see attached for the invoice. Thank you. Oh. So you put your email in there. Then what you want to do at the top is go to recipients. Now there's two things you can do. First, type in your main recipient. So I put z@gmail.com. Let's say that's our first recipient. Now we have two options here. We can either send it to other people where they can see that other people have sent it, or we can send it to other people where the other people can't see who else got the email. So the first option is just typing the next email in here. So we can put x@gmail.com. And that's going to send to Z and X. But let's say we want to send it to some other people and we don't want the other recipients to know who else has received it. We can go to this button that says BCC here, and we can type in their names. So we can put y@gmail.com. And basically this will mean that nobody will be able to see this person received it, and this person will not be able to see who else received it. So if we put more in here, we could, for example, take these ones off here, and we can put these on BCC. So x@gmail.com, z@gmail.com. So basically these people would all receive the email because they're in the BCC section, but none of them would be able to see that someone else received it. And if they replied to this email, no one else would be able to get the reply. Whereas if you did it normally with just CC or just the to bit, then these people would be able to see that they received it, and they would also, when they replied, everyone else would be able to see their reply. So that's kind of how it works. After that, you can just hit send and send it as usual, and it should work. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.